English, Grade 7.
Tape script 5.15.1. Dress, dress. Shirt, shirt. Skirt, skirt. Underpants, underpants. Hat, hat. Shoes, shoes. Shorts, shorts. Trousers, trousers. Socks, socks. T-shirt, t-shirt. Tape script 5.15.2.
I love your costumes. What are you?
Can you guess? I'm wearing a long black dress, a big nose, and a big black hat. Oh, and I'm wearing long black shoes. I'm a witch, of course.
Wow, scary. A scary witch. Can you guess what I am? I'm wearing my dad's green shirt. I'm wearing my mom's green trousers. I've got my sister's green skirt on my head, and I make this noise. Growl! Growl! I come from the lake.
I know! You're a lake monster.
Yes, I am. I'm scary, scary lake monster.
Well, I'm scarier than everyone. I'm the scariest one of all. Can you guess? I'm wearing black trousers. I'm wearing a white shirt. I have a pen. I can make you bored.
Black trousers and a white shirt isn't scary.
Yes, it is. Guess what I am? I'm Mr. Swan.
Mr. Savan? The principal at school? That's not scary.
Yes, it is. Mr. Swan is the scariest thing in the world.